Hi, I'm Dr. Julie Pham, here to help you practice curiosity to elevate your work and life. Today, we're going to talk about how to plan an interactive online experience, particularly the essential logistics. At Curiosity Base, we do a lot of designing interactive online experiences for our own content, for our own workshops. We got so good at it that we even created a digital course to show other people how to think through this design process. A lot of people underestimate how much planning and detail goes into online events. And so this here are some tips on how you can have some smooth event management. 3 tips. The first is test the technology. The technology is constantly changing. How it worked last month could be different from how it's going to work this month. So definitely test how your slide deck looks, how the sound is, how the polls are interacting. Sometimes I will even launch the deck from my computer and then I will call in using my phone to experience it as if I were a user from the phone, just so I could see what that experience is like. Tip number 2 is to schedule a rehearsal. Now, if you are going to be facilitating with other people, then schedule that rehearsal with them so you can go through who's going to say what are those transitions, and that's a time to actually make last-minute adjustments. If you are facilitating this by yourself and you have coworkers who you can rehearse with just to test it, then definitely do it with them, or just ask a friend to support you. And tip number 3 is to set up guidelines for your participants. You want them to be able to engage as much as possible, so you got to help them with that. This might mean having instructions that you put into a slide, or to write out the instructions so that they are ready to copy and paste into the chat, or to have a follow-along document. Now, if you think that they are going to be unfamiliar with the technology, it might be worthwhile to have a demo or some slides to explain the technology features that you want them to use during the online experience. I hope that you find these tips useful in making your next online experience really successful. If you want to get more information and look at our course, then you can go to curiositybase.com. It's called Master Interactive Online Experience Design. You can also check out a full detailed version of this on our blog at curiositybase.com.